too high, don't drag me down. What a shame you got yourself to.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today it's going to be a what I eat in a week. I'm actually very excited to film this because it is a video that's been requested by a lot of my friends, so I'm so excited to film it for you guys. I'll tell you, this video was a mammoth video to film and edit. I'm currently editing it as we speak, and I realized I didn't have an intro or an outro, so I'm filming it right now. Just as a huge disclaimer, what I eat in weeks are usually just fun to watch, to get meal ideas. This video is in no way telling y'all how to eat or what to eat. Everyone's diet is very specific to them and their body type and all of that stuff, so please don't watch this video and think that this is how you should be eating, because it's definitely not. I personally don't have any dietary restrictions. I'm not vegan or vegetarian or pescatarian or any of those things, or I don't really have any modifications to my diet. The only thing is I am allergic to soy, mango, and pineapples, so I tend to try and avoid those foods as much as I can. I tend to try and eat pretty intuitively. I just eat when I'm hungry and I stop when I'm full. I will say I do have more of a smaller appetite, so if you watch this video and think that I'm not eating as much as I probably, as the average person should, I just have a small stomach and I don't really eat that much. So with all that being said, let's just go ahead and get started with this video. So my week usually starts on Sunday night because that's when my dad makes dinner. On this night we were having corn, curry chicken and rice and pasta, and I was also having some water. This is so good. I feel like my night is never finished without dessert, so for this night my dad made cinnamon rolls, which is so random. He never really makes dessert, but I also had some green tea as well. I drank an obnoxious amount of green tea in this video, but that's what I had for dessert that night. I've been really into oatmeal lately. I don't know what has gone into me. Usually I hate oatmeal, but anyways, this oatmeal recipe, I usually start off with some strawberries. I really like adding fruit to it. I feel like it just adds just a little something to it. As for the actual oatmeal recipe, I usually start off with 1 pack of instant oatmeal, 2/3 cups of oat milk. This is the vanilla unsweetened one. That's just what I prefer. And then I put a bit of sugar in it. I know that's not the healthiest, but that's what I like. I also put a dash of cinnamon, and then I microwave it for about a minute. While that's heating up, I like to pour myself another cup of green tea. I know, so obnoxious. I like to stir the oats a bit and put an extra 40 seconds, and then once it's done, I add the fruit, and I like to add a bit of chia seeds just cause it tastes so good. I actually love this so much. I'm so notorious for hating oatmeal, and I love this, so I just put y'all on. As for snacks, I really love this popcorn. I think it's by the brand Lesser Evil. I don't know what they put in it, probably crack, but it's so good. For lunch, I just had some pasta, and this time I just added some cheese onto it because cheese is good, cheese is life. So I enjoyed that for lunch. I also had some water, and for an afternoon snack, I had a cinnamon roll and more tea. Here's my dinner for today, same as last night. We have curry chicken, carrots, and rice with some sauce. I don't have that much chicken because I didn't really like the chicken. I wasn't a huge fan of it this week. So I just have one piece, and I have some corn heating up in the microwave, so I'm gonna go grab that. And I'm having the rest of my water. And here's my corn. So I'm gonna go and eat this, and then I will check back in with y'all when I have dessert. To finish off the night, I'm having I might have all of these, I'm not sure, but these Girl Guide cookies. If you're not Canadian, Girl Guides is basically the Canadian version of Girl Scouts. So I'm having their cookies because they sell them in Loblaws now, because obviously with COVID they're not allowed to sell cookies. So I'm having 2 vanilla and 2 chocolate, and I'm also having some tea. This is my favorite tea, but I will insert either a picture of what the tea brand is because I threw out the package, or I will show you another day because I'm definitely going to be having this multiple times during the week. But it's by the brand Stash, and it's the Christmas Eve tea. It's very good. So I'm gonna have this, and then I think that's all for tonight, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey y'all, it's like 8 a.m. I'm gonna go drive to Starbucks to get a drink, and then I think I'm gonna eat breakfast at the house. So just wanted to update you. I look awful, but I want to go to Starbucks, and I'll see you when I get my drink. Okay, I need to be kind of inconspicuous because there's someone beside me, but I got a matcha green tea latte, a tall iced matcha latte with 2 pumps of vanilla. So that's what I'm having at the moment. And then it kind of tastes like grass, but like it's kind of good. Then it just needs to get mixed up more. And then I'm gonna eat breakfast when I get home. So I'm gonna go home. So I'll see you guys later. So for lunch, I had a burrito bowl. I had started off with some rice from the night before, and some ground beef, and some lettuce, and some salsa, and cheese, and it was pretty good. I also had some chips on the side, as you will see later on in this clip, and I enjoyed that for lunch. I'm kind of hungry now, so I'm going to have this cup of green tea, and I'm also gonna have these. These are popcorners, the sea salt and kettle corn ones. I think I got this from Linda's son, and she put me on. These are so good. I would highly recommend them. So I'm gonna have this and some tea while I edit. For dinner this night, I had 2 Randy's beef patties. We like to freeze them as a family and then reheat them when we're not really feeling like cooking. And then for dessert, I had a Girl Guide cookie and some more tea. So for breakfast this morning, I had my usual oatmeal and tea, but I had a Zoom meeting for my online class, so I had to attend that. And might I add, my oatmeal exploded in the microwave this day. Honestly, what the hell? For lunch, I had nachos. Okay, so for dinner I made stir fry. So I started off with some veggies, some broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots, and then I just added a whole bunch of spices. You can see them on the screen. I use a lot. So as for sauces, I use honey garlic, teriyaki, and soy sauce. So I like to let the veggies boil a little bit in some salted water, and then once that's done, I just add 2 cups of, I think that's vegetable oil, honestly I don't even know, and then I just dump the veggies in and just stir them around in the oil just to get them coated, and I put the cover on. Then I just go ahead and add the spices. I honestly don't have any measurements, I just pour them in until my ancestors tell me to stop. I just stir the veggies around in the spices and make sure everything is coated. And then I add all my sauces. And again, I don't have any measurements for this. I just go until my ancestors tell me, baby, that's enough. And then I stop. Once everything was coated in the sauce, I added a little bit of water just to help everything cook. Stirred it around, make sure everything's even, and that was it. And that's how it turned out. It tasted so good and it's so quick and easy, especially if you just want to get your veggies in. So I would highly recommend. For breakfast this morning, I had my usual oatmeal and tea. I know, so boring, so unoriginal, but that's what I had. For lunch, I was honestly not feeling like cooking, so I just got one of these frozen mac and cheese things. They're so good, and I put ketchup on my mac and cheese. Please don't shoot me. And then as a snack, I had some popcorners because they smack, and that was it. So this is my dinner tonight. I'm just having my veggies from yesterday, rice, and I put a little bit of curry sauce on it just cause, and I'm also having some water. So that's dinner. I'm having oatmeal for breakfast again, but there's no fruit on top because all the fruit in my house is moldy, which sucks. So I'm just eating it plain today with some chia seeds, and then I'm having some green tea as usual. So I'm gonna eat this. For lunch, I had nachos. Honestly, I think we were just running out of food this day, so I was just making whatever we had in the fridge. And as a snack, I had an apple. So I'm having a coffee because I have a caffeine addiction, and I'm also having this Fiber One chocolate chip granola bar and some water while I do a bunch of work on my laptop. So that's what I'm having, and I'll update y'all when I have something else. Okay, so I ordered Popeyes for dinner, but we had a bit of a family crisis tonight, so I couldn't finish the rest of it. So it's like midnight, but I'm gonna eat my dinner. So I just had, I ordered chicken strips, fries, and drink, and I'm also gonna have some water. So this is my dinner for tonight, and I think this is the end of the what I eat in a week. So I'm going to enjoy this. So that's the end of my what I eat in a week. I had a lot of fun filming this video this week. It was definitely hard to film and remember all the foods that I ate, but I tried my best. I hope you guys got some really cool meal ideas from this video, and I really hope you enjoyed this new editing style that I'm trying out. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and like and comment on this video. I'd really love to hear your feedback, and it would really help me out and help out this channel. If you like my content, be sure to check out some of my other videos. They will be in the iCard and on my channel. So yeah, with all that being said, I will definitely be talking to you guys in my next video. Bye guys.